Nàìjíríà ń bí.
In Nigeria here,
Àwọn babaláwo ti jáde, wọ́n ti ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì káàkiri.
Babalawos are coming out, they're having churches.
Ẹ̀yin ń ba Báíbù jẹ́.
You are spoiling the Bible.
Ẹ ń ba Kùránì
You
jẹ́.
are spoiling the
Ẹ
Quran.
fi ń gbé àwọn bàbá wa dìde.
And you are using it to uplift our
Ẹ̀sìn
forefathers.
tẹ́ ti kọ̀.
The religion you've
Àwọn ẹ̀sìn yẹn
abandoned,
wá ń dìde sí.
they are now springing up again.
Nítorí pé ìwọ ba Báíbù jẹ́ for
Because
30
you
years.
spoiled the Bible for over 10
Ó
years.
lè ní ẹ́.
You are a thief.
Gbogbo ohun tó sọ yẹn, ẹ pààyàn fọlọ́run, ẹ
Killing
pààyàn
for
fọlọ́run.
God.
Ó lè ní
You
yín.
are just
Ń
thieves.
tẹ́ máa jẹlẹ̀ ń wá.
You are looking for what to
Ẹ
do.
lọ sí gbogbo mọ́ṣáláṣí.
Go to all the mosques.
Ibi tó bá ti rí èèyàn 100 tó bá kírun lọ́sẹ̀
If
yìí.
you see 100 people this week,
Tó bá dọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀,
by next week,
wọn ò kọjá 70.
there will be like 70.
Wọ́n ti ń reduce.
They are
Ṣé ń
reducing.
ba Báíbù jẹ́ yẹn?
As you are spoiling the
Làwọn
Bible,
ọmọlẹ́yìn Muslim ń kúrò nínú Muslim.
Muslims are leaving
Bẹ́ẹ̀
Islam.
ṣe ń ba Kùránì jẹ́
As you
yẹn.
are spoiling the
Làwọn
Quran,
ọmọlẹ́yìn Kírísítẹ̀nì kúrò nínú Kírísítẹ́nì.
Christians are leaving
Wọ́n ń
Christianity.
sọnù mọ́ àwọn Kírísítẹ̀nì lọ́wọ́.
Christians are losing some things,
Nǹkan dẹ̀ ń sọnù mọ́ àwọn Muslim lọ́wọ́.
and Muslims are losing some things as
Gbogbo
well.
ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń ba Báíbù jẹ́.
You people destroying the
Tẹ sọ
Bible,
pé ẹ rí ohun tó wrong 1000 nínú Bíbélì.
saying you have seen 1,000 wrong things in the Bible,
Ẹ ń ba Muslim jẹ́ o.
you are destroying
Ẹ̀yin
Islam.
tẹ sọ pé Kùránì ò dáa.
If you say Quran is bad,
Ẹ ń ba Kírísítẹ̀nì jẹ́ o.
you are spoiling Christians.
Ṣé rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ sọ pé ẹ ń wá mistake nínú Báíbù
All
yẹn?
of you looking for the errors in the Bible,
Ìjẹ́ mọ̀ pé
do you know?
àwọn míì ní àwọn ti ṣe for 30 years.
The people say they've done it for 30 years.
Wọ́n ń ba Bíbélì jẹ́.
They are castigating the
Ohun tí
Bible.
Jésù ṣe kò dára.
What Jesus did was bad,
But nísìn,
but now,
àwọn kan wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí ọdún méjì ń sìn.
so every time like 2 years
Wọ́n wá
ago,
bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ba Quran jẹ́.
they are spoiling the Quran as well.
Àwọn ọmọ Muslim wá ń kúrò nínú ẹ̀sìn wọn.
Now, Muslims are leaving their religion.
Àwọn Christian náà wá ń kúrò nínú ẹ̀sìn Christian.
Christians are also leaving their religion.
Kí ló fà á?
Why?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ba Bible jẹ́ yẹn.
As you are spoiling the
Làwọn
Bible,
ọmọlẹ́yìn Muslim ń kúrò nínú Muslim.
Muslims are leaving
Bẹ́ẹ̀
Islam.
ṣe ń ba Quran jẹ́
As you
yẹn.
are spoiling the
Làwọn
Quran,
ọmọlẹ́yìn Christian ń kúrò nínú Christian.
Christians are leaving Christianity.
Lọ sí London.
Go to London.
Gbogbo ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ńláńlá tó wà ní
All
London.
those big churches there,
Ó ti di supermarket.
they are now like supermarkets.
Wọ́n ti convert ẹ̀ sí
They've
supermarket.
converted there.
Wọ́n sábà lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mọ́
People
bẹ́ẹ̀.
don't really go to church again over
Ẹ
there.
lọ sí Iran.
Go to Iran.
750,000 mosques ló wà ń bẹ̀.
There are 750,000 mosques. there.
50,000 mosques wọn ò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́.
50,000 mosques are no longer working.
Ẹ máa wá káàkiri.
You start looking for it.
Ẹ ti sọnù sí ọwọ́ àwọn babaláwo.
You've lost it to herbalists.
Nísìnyí,
Now,
Cuba,
in Cuba,
ẹ lọ wo àwọn babaláwo wọn ní ìjọ.
go and see the herbalists that are there. They are beginning to have a
Wọ́n
congregation.
pọ̀ bí omi.
And there are many.
Ẹ lọ sí Brazil.
If you go to Brazil,
Ẹ lọ wo àwọn babaláwo.
go and see the
Àwọn
herbalists.
òyìnbó.
Those traditional
Ẹ lọ sí
worshippers.
Argentina.
Go to Argentina.
Ẹ lọ káàkiri.
Go all over the world.
Nígbà tí mo lọ sí London,
When I went to London,
àwọn babaláwo kan kó ifá fáwọn kan ní London.
some herbalists were giving people Ifa in London.
Ní Nàìjíríà ń bí,
In Nigeria here,
àwọn babaláwo ti jáde, wọ́n ti ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì káàkiri.
Babalawos are coming out, they are having churches.
Ẹ̀yin ń ba Báíbù jẹ́,
You are spoiling the
ẹ̀ ń
Bible.
ba Kùránì
You
jẹ́,
are spoiling the
ẹ
Quran.
fi ń gbé àwọn bàbá wa dìde.
And you are using it to uplift our
Ẹ̀sìn
forefathers.
tẹ́ ti kọ̀,
The religion you've
àwọn ẹ̀sìn yẹn
abandoned,
wá ń dìde sí.
they are now springing up again.
Nítorí pé ìwọ ba Báíbù jẹ́ for
Because
30
You
years.
spoiled the Bible for over 30
Ìwọ náà
years.
ba Kùránì jẹ́ bí ọdún méjì sí.
Also castigated the Quran for 2 years ago.
So ẹ wá ń ta ẹ̀sìn Ọlọ́run, ẹ̀ ń tà á.
You are now selling the religion of
So
God.
èyí tí mo sọ yìí,
These have said,
ẹ̀sìn bàbá wa náà ni.
it is still our
Ẹ
forefathers'
báyọ̀ kébẹ̀ náà
religion.
là ń lọ ni.
If that's where we are going,
Ẹ̀sìn àwọn bàbá wa ni o.
it is still our forefathers'
Ṣùgbọ́n
religion.
ẹ ṣe àǹfààní fún Muslim o.
But you are not doing any good for Muslims
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ba Kírísítẹ́nì jẹ́.
as you are spoiling
Ẹ
Christians.
ṣe àǹfààní fún Kírísítẹ́nì.
You are not helping Christians.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ba Muslim
The way
jẹ́.
you are spoiling the
Wo ẹ
Muslims.
lọ sí gbogbo mọ́ṣáláṣí.
Go to all the mosques.
Ibi tó bá ti rí èèyàn 100 tó bá kírun lọ́sẹ̀
If
yìí.
you see 100 people this week,
Tó bá dọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀,
by next week,
wọn ò kọjá 70.
there will be like 70.
Wọ́n ti ń reduce.
They are reducing.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni Kírísítẹ́nì.
Same way for Christians.
So mo rọ̀ yín,
I'm imploring you.
ẹ ń jà fún Ọlọ́run, ẹ jà fún Ọlọ́run
You
o.
are fighting for God, but you are not
Ẹ
fighting
ń
for
jà
God.
fún àpò yín.
You are fighting for your pockets.
Gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ẹ ń bàjẹ́ yẹn.
All those things you are
Owó
spoiling,
tẹ́ ẹ rí ń bẹ̀.
the money you get
Ẹ
from
fi ń
it,
kọ́lé.
you are using it to
Ẹ
build
fi ń ra
houses,
mọ́tò.
buying
Ẹ
cars,
fi ń rán ọmọ lọ sí ilé
sending your
ìwé.
children to
Ẹ lè
school,
ń ba iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run
and you
jẹ́.
are destroying the work of
Ṣé
God.
Báíbù àti Kùránì ló jẹ́ ohun tá a lè bàjẹ́ ni?
Are these books things that we can spoil?
Rárá, ẹlẹ́jà fún
You
Ọlọ́run.
say you are fighting for
Ó
God.
lè ní ẹ́.
You are a thief.
Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ jà fún
How
Ọlọ́run?
can you
Ó
fight for
lè
God?
ní
You
ẹ́.
are a thief.
Gbogbo ohun tó sọ yẹn ẹ pààyàn fọ́lọ́run, ẹ
Killing
pàálẹ̀
for
fọ́lọ́run.
God.
Ó lè ní
You are
yín.
just
Ń
thieves.
tẹ́ máa jẹ lẹ̀ ń
You are
wá.
looking for what to eat.
So mo rọ̀ yín.
So I implore
Ẹ
you,
má ba ẹ̀sìn jẹ́ fún àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn.
let us stop destroying these religions.
Àwọn babaláwo ti ń lọ sókè o.
Babalawos are already
Ẹ̀ka wọ́n ní
speaking
ìjọ
up.
káàkiri báyìí.
They are beginning to have a following.
So ẹ̀yin lè sọ pé ẹ̀ ń ba Muslim
And you are
jẹ́.
saying you are spoiling
Ẹ ń ba
Islam.
Christian jẹ́.
You are spoiling Christianity.
Àwọn kan ẹ fi ń gbé wọn
And you are
dìde.
using it to uplift some other sect.
Àbọ̀rọ̀ là ń sọ fọmọlúwàbí.
A word is enough
Tó bá dé náà á dòdìdí.
for the wise.
Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
But all
ó tó fi
religion,
ba Báíbù jẹ́.
everything
Tó
you
fi
did,
ba ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run
all
jẹ́.
those things
Tó fi
you
ba
did,
Kùránì jẹ́. Wàá jíṣẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bá dẹ̀yìn ọ̀la.
you are going to give the account.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.